Duff's making his breakfast this morning. So what you need is Scottish oatmeal, salt, Scotch whisky, and this is the oatmeal, finely ground oatmeal. Nothing given, nothing taken away. Next, we need the oatmeal in the pan and a good sprinkle of salt. Then we add water, and we use the Scottish spottle. Stir it. Put the heat on. Keep stirring clockwise. I also add a little bit of oat milk. Keep stirring clockwise. Also add a little bit of oat bran to thicken it up, and wheat bran for extra fibre. And we keep stirring. Takes about 5 minutes to boil up the oatmeal, but you always keep stirring clockwise. Once it's boiling for a minute, then you turn the heat down, keep stirring. Then you add the whisky, about a dram of whisky. Keep stirring. Then you take the pan off the heat because you don't want the whisky evaporating. Then you pour it on to the plate. Then you steep the pan. Then, for added fibre, I add some more oat bran and some wheat germ. And if you want, you could add raisins or even a slice or two of bananas. You can also top up some Saigon cinnamon. Then, when it cools down a wee bit, you add oat milk on top. Or you can add the oat milk to a bowl. The Scottish tradition is oatmeal or porridge should always be eaten standing up. That breakfast will last you well past lunchtime. The real Mackay, because Scotsmen are oatmeal savages. Sláinte.